In this video, I will show you how to work the simple moss stitch, which would be known as simple seed stitch in the US. Simple moss stitch is a variation of moss stitch where you work a purl stitch on every fourth stitch of the row. I will be using 4mm knitting needles and a lightweight yarn such as DMC Merino Essential 4. To start, I'm going to knit the first 3 stitches of my row. 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to work a purl stitch. So we'll bring our yarn forwards between the needles. There's your purl stitch. Bring the yarn back and knit 3 more stitches. Now we're going to work another purl stitch. So bring the yarn forward through the needles. Work your purl and bring your yarn back. So you can see I have 2 purl stitches here. I'm going to knit another 3 stitches. Bring the yarn forward between the needles. Work a purl, yarn back, and knit another 3 stitches. So by knitting 3 stitches, then purling 1, you're creating your simple moss stitch pattern.